Where are we going? We're going to Bangkok, Thailand. With me, Daddy, Haley, Caleb, and my mom. Hi. Good morning, everybody. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is Tuesday. It's travel day, guys. We'll be leaving here in the Philippines in Cebu, and we'll be heading to Bangkok. Hi everybody, we've just checked out in our condo and we're heading to Ayala Malls to have our lunch. I think we're thinking of going to Rico's Lechon. They're all crying. Caleb's crying because he wanted to walk, because Haley's all walking, going to Ayala Malls. It's not that far away. It's hot in the Philippines. Hi guys, we are here at the airport. It's 5:30 in the evening. And we're going to... Where are we going? We're going to Bangkok, Thailand. With me, Daddy, Haley, Caleb, and my mom. Hi. She's coming with us in Thailand. Yay! We're gonna check in our bags or suitcases, and we're flying via Philippine Airlines. So we are very early here, so we've got probably 10 to 15 minutes to wait until the check-in opens. Thank you for this beautiful heart. Right guys, so we finished checked in our luggages, so we're gonna go to security, and we also had we went to the currency exchange, so we had our Thailand money. It's called baht. Get ready. So my mom is the one carrying them just in case they want to know in the immigration if she's carrying some money. It'd be nice that she have some money on her bag as well. So it's worth how much is it? It's not a lot. It's about 2,500 baht. So yeah, okay. I am not worried, but sometimes you have to expect something that are unexpected. So I'm hoping that there will be a lot of questions. Obviously they might ask about where you're gonna stay. So we're gonna stay in, I'm not gonna say it, train duty free. Congratulations. Oh, my mom doesn't know where to go. Congratulations to my mom. She managed to get through to immigration. So I am teaching my mom how to travel, because she'll be traveling alone when she returns to the Philippines. So what you're gonna do, mom, is you have to check the boarding time, which is 8:25, gate 22B. Okay, 22B. That's what we're gonna check. What happened to the kids? Where are the kids? Hi guys. Are you driving us to Thailand? Right, so mom, you're gonna look for the gate 22B. You have to remember that. Right after duty free, we're gonna look for the numbers on the 22B. We're gonna look for that. That's your gate number.
And my set.
Okay, and then same as coming back from Thailand to Cebu.
68A.
You don't need to worry about that. What you need to know is 22B. Okay, we're going now, kids. So it's tea time. So we're gonna eat some. I think I know where we're going. Someone's favorite, bonchon. So we try bonchon. I've remembered bonchon here in the airport is much better than outside.
Flight PR 738.
Okay, here you go. 22B. Philippine Airlines 738 to Bangkok. Oh, look at this mango slice, dried mangoes. I love mango cubes. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. Hey, Caleb, the big whale shark. Look, that's cute. World of Jeepney. That's cute, isn't it? Hi guys, so we're just waiting for our flights. We're just waiting to board. And I'm just sitting here with my lovely daughter, Haley. You okay? Yeah? And then in front of us is the airplane and Caleb. Airplanes. Boop, 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 boop. And my mom. Mom, are you excited? It's your... Yes, it's her first time. It's her first international flight. So she's very excited to get on the airplane. So I just want to tell you guys, it is very easy and very quiet here.
Easy and quiet.
Here in Mactan International Airport, or Mactan Cebu International Airport. Don't drop it.
And this airport has no airplane. And this?
Yeah.
There's two airplanes that I can't even see the other one because it's too dark.
Yes, it's too dark. Wait, go.
We're boarding in a minute, so we could do in Dubai. So Dubai airport has no such thing. So we're here to just board to the flight.
Hey, I just want to, this is Cebu Airport. Cebu Airport. And we're going to Thailand Airport.
So we're going to Thailand Airport. So this is Cebu Airport. So now we're going to Thailand Airport. So look at the view.
Yeah, you can see the view now. Come back here.
So that's it.
Oh, another airplane.
That's the view that country.
So guys, yes, see you in Bangkok in a couple of hours. No, the flight is about 4 hours. So we're taking direct flight from Cebu all the way to Bangkok, Thailand. So it's 4 hours travel. So our flight is 10:09. I will be arriving there about 10:12 in the morning. Right guys, so see you in a bit. See you later. Mommy is boarding now. Where is she? Yay! She's coming! She's going to Bangkok. She's going to Bangkok. We're boarding, guys. Look at the airplane. Look at the airplane. Whee! Whee! Where is mommy? Where's my mom? There. We're going. Bye, Cebu.
Can I just double check the boarding card?
Yes.
How many are you traveling together?
5 all together.
5.
Here, there's the other one. The 5th one.
Okay, this is another one.
Hello, good evening. Welcome.
Hi.
C
Hi, how are you?
ACHJ.
Good evening. Nice dinosaur.
68. Hi.
What's your seat number, ma'am?
68.
Okay.
All the way there. Thank you. Just go ahead, Haley. Oh my God. Haley, let me walk first so that you can follow me. Right. Okay, go. Come in. Ooh. This one. Come on. Hello. So we are here on the airplane.
We're always
We're inside now, guys.
Yeah.
It's a bit disappointing. I thought there's a monitor screen entertainment on the flight, but there's no entertainment, so there's nothing in there. Nothing. For 4 hours, a good luck.
There's no people in there.
Well, I prepared 2 tablets for the kids. So they'll be just watching Peppa Pig and Frozen.
Hey.
Ooh, so my mom is there. My mom is there and Alan. And we're here. Alright, so Haley's showing you. Haley, can you show them your seats? What's in front of you? So there's no TV, no entertainment, so you can't watch Frozen. No Frozen, but you can watch it on the tablet, can you? And what do you have here? You've got the table. It's a big table. Wait, we'll show them. It's a big table, isn't it?
And it also buttons out.
And then look at that. Yeah.
Captain Eric Herradura will be our flight commander with him as First Officer Willex Amelia. This is your flight person, Junjun. Our estimated flying time is approximately 3 hours and 40 minutes, and we'll be flying at an altitude of 34,000 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs are on. Please comply with the safety precaution. In a short while, your cabin crew up front will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. This is an Airbus 321-200 series. Can we get your full attention, please?
What do you have here? Oh, pasta. That's pork with pasta. Well done, Amy. My mom. So let's see what I have. I've chosen chicken with rice.
For you. Where's your dino? Dinosaur. There you go.
Oh, bye bye.
Say bye.
You gonna give that to me?
Bye, let's go.
Bye.
Come on
There you
then.
go.
Thank you.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time. Hi guys, we've just landed here in Bangkok, Suvarnabhumi Airport. We're gonna go to Carousel 10 to get our suitcases. Good morning. Ma! Yay! My mom is here in Bangkok. My mom has arrived in Bangkok. Yay, Haley, yay! This is Bangkok. Right, so Ma, what do you think of their flight? Very interesting. It was good. Hi guys, so we're here in Bangkok and we're going to stay here in Bangkok for a couple of nights and then we're heading to Pattaya. Oh gosh, they're actually speaking Thai now. You know that it's in Thailand or in another country. I'll show you the airport. We've got the elephant painting. And that one. Look, no one's driving. Wow. Boy. Right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to immigration, get a stamp, and then we're gonna head to carousel number 10 to get our suitcases. Hi guys, so we've sorted our suitcases. Now we're gonna go and hire a van, which is cost about 1,300 baht, about 30 pounds. I'll show you. Limousine? So we go for limousine. This is the one? Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to Bangkok. So it's taking us to our van, our ride, going to our hotel. About 45 minutes. We'll see. This is it. Look. Outside Bangkok. It's 30 degrees. It's hot in here. I'm wearing a jacket. And we're going to take this one, the big van. Big van. Come on, kids. Yay! Haley in front. And Caleb. Look at this, guys. It's very big van. Very big van. Wow. Look at this. I can stand up. Look. Very good, Daddy. Well done, Daddy. You can't see it, but I can stand up, guys. Look at guys. This, guys. Very big van. Very big van we hire.
Yeah, that's the, I think that's one, yeah.
Wow. Wow.
And look at this.
Look at Haley, guys. We are on our way. We're going to our hotel. Haley, Bandara Suites. Sawadee. So hi guys, we arrived here in our hotel. It's called Bandara Hotel, Bandara Suites. What's it called? I forgot what's it called. So hi guys, we have arrived in our hotel. So we're gonna check in. I'm going to Caleb. No, Caleb, no. So hi guys, we arrived in our hotel. We're just gonna check in, and we're gonna go upstairs to rest. I'm just gonna end our vlog today, our travel day, and I hope you enjoyed our flight. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Bye.
Bye for now. Look at the Christmas tree. Right, so we're gonna rest, and tomorrow is a big day. We're gonna enjoy Bangkok. Bye for now. Oh yes, we're gonna have breakfast. Don't skip your breakfast, everybody. Bye.